For entire anthologies or collections of essays, we will begin with the editor information. The editor's last name is presented first. We then include a comma, after which we provide the editor's first name. We then add another comma and include the word editor before ending this section with a period. Generally, an anthology will have more than one editor. If it has two editors, your citation will look like this. After the initial editor and the comma, we will include the word and then present the second editor's name. Please note that this name is provided first name and then last name. We then place a comma and add an S to the word editors. If the anthology has three or more authors, the citation will look like this. After the initial editor and the comma, we will include the words et al., which means and others in Latin. We will then place a comma before the word editors. After providing the author information, we will then give the title of the anthology. The anthology title is given in italics. Be sure to capitalize all nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs in the title. We then end the title section with a period. Next, we provide the publication information. We begin with the publisher. We then insert a comma and provide the year of publication. We then end the entire citation with a period. By providing this information in this order, we will enable our reader to find this source.